Hey everyone, it's Candace of Candace of Beauty and welcome back to my channel. Chloe, you have to move. I cannot work like this. Even Tone Smooth and Glow Enzyme Mask. I'm gonna get it right. Okay, that was right. Let's try this again. Hi everyone, it's Candace of Candace of Beauty and I'm back with another skincare video. Today's video is focusing on Urban Skin RX products. I recently received a huge press box for Urban Skin RX celebrating that they are now available in 4,000 Walgreens across the country. All of the products that I received were either from the Even Tone or the Clarifying collection. This one is the Even Tone Essential Starter Kit. This was in there. I actually have all of the products and have already used all of the products before. So I think I'm gonna save this for a giveaway on my Instagram. I also got the Even Tone and the Clarifying Cleansing Bars, which I've been using for the last year. So I was grateful to get a re-up. Retinol Rapid Repair Dark Spot Treatment, as well as the Super Glow Serum. I've used this before. It smells pretty nasty, but it works really well. I did even tell the brand that it smells nasty, and a lot of people said it smells nasty too, but it works. The Retinol Rapid Repair, I haven't used it yet, so I'm glad I got a fresh one so that I can try. Also got the Complexion Protection Moisturizer, which has SPF in it 30. I use this most days if I'm not using something else. But there were 3 products in here that were new to me that I was really excited to try out. Seeing as that I fell asleep in my makeup last night, today was the perfect time to do a deep cleanse of my skin and try out some new products. So the new ones that I tried out were the Acne Blemish and Control Sulfur Mask, the Brighter Days Dark Spot 8% AHA Polish, and the Even Tone Smooth and Glow Enzyme Mask. So first I double cleansed and I did a cleansing balm, and then I went in with the Clear Skin cleansing bar to make sure that everything was completely out. Next, I went in with the Brighter Days Dark Spot 8% AHA Polish. The consistency is really nice. Now, I don't know how I did it, but in trying to get the little protective seal off, I couldn't get it to come off and I was squeezing. And before I knew it, I had blew out. There's now a hole and my product is compromised. So it won't come out through here. I had to squeeze it out through here. So I'm very upset because I did like the polish very much. And I think this is something that I would continue to use in my routine. Believe you can use this 2 to 3 times a week and you just rub it in for 1 to 2 minutes. I have more dry, dehydrated skin. It didn't feel too abrasive to my skin. There was no warming or heating sensation like their pumpkin enzyme mask. But this polish, it has glycolic acid, lactic acid, L-ascorbic acid, and papaya extract. The things, it has good things in it, but I have now compromised my product. Now Air's gonna get into it, so I'm very upset. So I think I'm gonna have to go purchase another one because I think I wanna keep this in my routine. Worth it, but I fucked it up. It doesn't smell like it, smell-wise, maybe that's the papaya that I'm smelling, but it's nothing too overwhelming. So if you have sensitive skin or more dry, dehydrated skin, don't worry. This is something that you can use. But again, it's not daily. It's 2 to 3 times a week. I went in with the Even Tone Smooth and Glow Enzyme Mask next. The consistency, kind of thick, not too thick. Like at first it kind of looked like a serum, but it's actually a little bit thicker. Not too runny, but it was nice. So this one has glycolic acid, lactic acid, and vitamin C. This one you can use 5 to 20 minutes, but they say the first time that you use it, only use it for 5 minutes. So I was like, oh, she must be packing a punch. but I didn't feel any tingling, especially considering I had just polished my face right before that. So it wasn't anything too abrasive or too strong. This one you use 1 to 2 times a week. It does say mild tingling is normal. I didn't experience any, so I guess the next time, since I only did it for 5, maybe I'll go up to 10 minutes the next time and see what kind of feeling we get at that point. But it does say that if you have extremely sensitive skin, it's not suitable for that. So I guess my skin is not that sensitive. So this one, I enjoyed it, but we're gonna continue to play with this. Next, I went in with the Acne and Blemish Control Sulfur Mask. I was excited about this one because I saw sulfur. There is a mask that there's some other masks that I definitely love. One of my favorite masks is the Eve Lom Rescue Mask, and it has like kaolin and sulfur in it, which is also similar to the Origins 10-minute Out of Trouble Rescue Mask. They have similar ingredients, and I really, really like those masks. So here's what I will say about this one. So this one, as opposed to the other ones that I like, which I think the kaolin in the other one keeps them white, this one is actually like gray. The consistency was nice. This one has 5% sulfur in it. It said is deep pore cleansing and prevents blemishes. Also has niacinamide and salicylic acid. The girls are in here. This one, because it has sulfur, which can be more drying, and I already have dry and dehydrated skin, I focused it in problem areas. So I've put it on my nose because I'm prone to blackheads. I have much larger pores like on my cheeks, and then any kind of like acne areas like around my jawline because of like hormones. So I just did it here and on my chin and like down my neck. So one of the things is I'm 37. I have fibroids, I have endometriosis, hormones do a thing. So when I get the little whiskers, I used to be a plucker, but when I would pluck, I would have like dark spots and blemishes and things like that. I haven't been doing that, and I've only been shaving my face. So I have minimized any dark spots, but I still want to just keep those pores and those areas clean. So keeping that super clean, for me is great. Anyway, back to the mask though. When I used it, so it says to leave it on anywhere from like 10 to 20 minutes. And I did 10 minutes. And when I went to go take it off in 10 minutes, I expected it to dry down more. Especially with it like, I guess, well, it's not a clay mask. It is sulfur. I guess I'm used to clay masks that are more wet when I put them on and then they dry up. So I feel like it's really sucking everything out. I think I'm going to give it like an 8 out of 10. I'm going to try it again. And I think that I might leave it on a little bit longer. But I don't know if it's just the ingredient profile or not. I felt like it should have dried down more and I would have felt like it was sucking more out of my skin. Or maybe it's like other masks, like when Glam Glow had the Super Mud Mask, and when it would dry down and like the little spots that you would see, those were the problem areas that you had. Maybe I was cleansed or clean enough. I don't know, because I'm not an expert. They're the melanin experts. So I don't know. I didn't think it was that bad. I would continue to use it, but we'll see. I'm not having any breakouts right now, thank God. But if I were to have a breakout situation, that'll really put this to the test. Now, I always love the products from the Even Tone collection because my biggest thing that I always say about my skin is I want to work on tone and texture. A lot of the ingredients that are present, like glycolic acid, lactic acid, the L-ascorbic acid, they are things that aid in evening tone and texture, which I love. But let's get into the prices and if we think you should buy them. You know it's real when I put my glasses on. Research time. So one of the things that I noticed about all 3 of these products is that the shelf life, well, the open life, which we've talked about this in another video. If you haven't seen my Purge Your Products video, check that out. And we talk about expiration dates and when to purge things. All of them have 12 months from the time that you open them. With the amount that you would use for each of these, and if you were consistently using these, this is 1 to 2 times per week, 2 to 3 times per week, and then this one is 1 to 2 times per week. So anywhere from once to twice a week if you're using these products, and then you have a year from the time you open them. I definitely believe that you would go through them if you were using them consistently in less than a year. To me, that's the first thing if I'm thinking about price and breaking things down, and I'm thinking about cost per use. Okay, so the Even Tone Smooth and Glow Enzyme Mask is $23. I don't think that's bad. $23 for a product that lasts a year. And if you're using it consistently, you're going to use it before the year is up. I say yes. AHA polish is $20. Score makes sense. The Acne Blemish and Control Mask is also $20, which I think is a steal. Like if I'm comparing it to the other mask that I like, the Origins one that I like is like 26 or 27. And then the Eve Lome one that I like is like $60 or $90. I mean, in general, I don't have anything bad to say about Urban Skin Rx products, the products that I have tried. They've been pretty effective for me. You know, maybe sometimes, you know, my skin may be doing a little something different. I may take them out the mix for a while, and then whenever I reintroduce them, my skin responds well every time. Skincare is very personal though. What works for me may not work for you, but as always, I'm just offering my honest and educated opinion on products. I hope you enjoyed this review. If there's anything more specific about the products that you want to know, please let me know. Make sure you check out my other videos about Urban Skin Rx and all of my other skincare videos and reviews. And I will see you next time.